Good evening. The situation in Ontario's long-term care homes has improved vastly since residents and staff started being vaccinated against COVID-19. But an advocacy group continues to fight to ensure that the devastation wreaked by the pandemic is never forgotten and never repeated. The group Canadians for Long-Term Care held a virtual town hall tonight discussing what needs to be done to better protect seniors in long-term care. This meeting is one of a series of town halls being held over 8 weeks.
Today is our Liberals' Day.
Tonight, members of the Liberal Party, including MPs Yvonne Baker and Anthony Housefather, along with Ontario MPP John Fraser, were invited to speak.
Think about schools. Think about hospitals. Think about childcare. They're all community-based. They have some community governments. They generally have a lot of involvement from the community. Why do we do long-term care differently?
Canadians for LTC is demanding national standards for long-term care homes. Back in May, when the first wave of the virus ripped through care homes, multiple Liberal MPs, including Baker, wrote a letter to the Prime Minister urging him to implement enforceable national standards, the goal being that the provinces and territories would come together to establish that framework. But Baker says that though the federal government has been in discussion with the provinces, some, like Ontario, have been resisting.
It would be very difficult for a province like Ontario to justify to its citizens why other provinces have decided to come together with the federal government and address this problem, provide seniors with that quality of care that they deserve, and Ontario is not. And this would apply to other provinces as well.
This is not being done to blame the current provincial government for whatever happened, because it's been neglect over time by governments at all levels that have caused long-term care facilities to be where they are today. Constant cuts in funding, inadequate healthcare transfers, whatever it may be. So let's all accept accountability for the bad system we have now.
Canadians for Long-Term Care is holding virtual town halls with a number of guests every week through to the end of April on their YouTube channel.